happy Valentine's Day. Today I will show you how to paint a Valentine's Day special painting and Valentine's Day card making. This is a new painting idea. Hope you will enjoy it and please watch my full video. I already draw a romantic couple by pencil on this paper. Now I am creating a beautiful colorful background. The main theme is the background, and then I will paint the couple little darker, and this is the main painting, and this is very easy for beginners to create a Valentine's Day card and Valentine's Day painting. So you can see I am using for the background lemon yellow, Charlotte Lake and Crimson Lake and cobalt blue, a looking dynamic background and colorful too. So watch my full video. It is very easy and you will enjoy the painting process. And thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.